popular Mustang models we get in it. Unique, Specialty, and Classics. 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt Edition. So a particular car is 4,969 of 5,772 made. So it's a sequential number. It'll be on the strut tower brace. 4,969. Of course, 4.6 liter, 3-valve V8 underneath the hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front grille on this car. Also going to resemble the Bullitt grille from yesteryear with no running horse on there. You're also going to notice it does have the high intensity discharge headlights, which you'll be able to see as one of the options on this car. On the window sticker, you want to check out the window sticker, engine bay, undersides of this car. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, original mile car, little miles on this particular vehicle. As you can see, paint shows very well. There's a couple, minute. You can see that right there. That, just a couple real small touch-up spots, but again, overall paint shows well. Riding on the stock Bullitt wheels. Also has the original tires on it, so you know this car has been well taken care of. And again, that clean Carfax, adult owned and driven. No accidents indicated, original miles. Of course, the only way you could get the Bullitt, 5-speed manual transmission. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the rear here, you're going to notice the 3.5-inch stainless exhaust tips. Now this would have came with Ford Racing exhaust on it, which the mufflers are right there, Ford Racing mufflers, and those have been switched out. It appears that it has a Celine muffler off the Parnelli Jones edition, from what I can tell by looking at the muffler, and has a nice deep throaty sound to it. We're going to start it up, let you hear it in a little bit. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. You can look on the window sticker. You're going to see that the Bullitt package, I believe, added a little over $3,000 to the window sticker on this car. And of course, that gave you those 18-inch wheels, that strut tower brace. They bumped the tuning and horsepower on these cars, made them breathe a little bit more to 315 horse. Would have a 373 rear axle ratio, a little different calibration to the engine. And then of course they were lowered slightly also. The ride height would have been changed by the rear springs. Shocks and struts were tuned a little differently. This particular one does have the DVD based navigation radio to it. And let's go ahead and check out this interior. There's more things they did with the Bullitt, obviously some appearance things. On the dash, steering wheel, stainless shift knob. So you can go ahead, Google them. On the internet, it's going to show you all about the Bullitt and what was done. Of course, what black and dark Highland green, metallic were the two colors I believe you could get in '08. As you can see, seat, not really showing any abnormal wear, anything more than you'd expect from a low mile, well taken care of car. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, it would have a power seat on the driver's side. Let you know about that. And of course, your tilt, cruise, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Mentioned earlier, navigation radio. Also, it'd have the Sirius XM option on it also. Top of the dash, you can see, nice shape. Let's check out the exact miles. There it is, 22,892. You can hear that exhaust. It's a deep, throaty exhaust to it. Sounds good. slip around the back seat here. Right? All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's slip up to the front, pop this hood, let's check out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. Take a look at this hood liner. You can tell this car's never been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at how clean that is. And same as the rest of the engine bay. This one will not disappoint. Again, clean Carfax, confirms miles. Actually came to us from Texas. I think it spent a lot of its life, the majority of its life in Missouri, Island, Missouri. Very nice, clean engine bay. Again, 4.6 liter, 3-valve, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's a sequential number. 4969 on that strut tower brace. It's Bullitt production number 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt Edition. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in or email.